We have 2 more companies to go. I'm really glad you all are here. So, Noospher, where are you? Let's welcome you guys, please. Wow. You can see you have people there. How are you? Good? Okay, it's your turn.
Hi, everyone.
Hi. Hello. So you ready?
Sure.
Yes.
Cool.
We are.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, let's go. So first of all, I would like to thank everyone who voted for our startup and give us the chance to be at LeWeb this year. A special thank to La French Tech Montpellier. I know they're here, so thank you guys. Okay, so my name is Jean-Sébastien, and I am one of the 4 co-founders of Noospher. This is Alexandre, the CEO of the company, and we are excited to be here today to share with you how we are going to reinvent the suggestion box. If you ever experienced the sort of frustration of having an idea, a suggestion for your city, your company, your favorite app, or whatever, and not knowing what to do with it, well, that's the problem Noospher is trying to solve. So what is Noospher? Noospher is a single place for all your ideas. A website and soon an app that lets you do 2 simple things: launch online suggestion boxes and suggest ideas. It's that easy. For instance, your city could have a suggestion box on Noospher. Think about it. Maybe you'd like to suggest putting a crosswalk where it's dangerous to cross the road. With Noospher, you can drop your ID directly in the city suggestion box via your mobile or laptop. And thanks to users' participation, your mayor can get instantly the best ideas right in his hand. Okay, let's jump to the demo. So here we are on Noospher.com. Once you are logged in, what you see is your ideas feed. It's all the ideas that has been suggested in the boxes you are following. The browse page helps you discover new suggestion boxes. You can also use the search bar. Just tap Spotify to find the music service suggestion box. But the best thing is that these boxes are not ordinary boxes. They are smart suggestion boxes that can bring out the best ideas spontaneously. Just approve the ideas you support. And thanks to the filter bar, you can easily sort ideas and find the best ones. Magic. How do you launch a suggestion box? Simple. Click on the box, choose a name, a theme, a picture, a description, and if your box will be public or private. And suggesting an ID is just as fast. Select a box, give a title to your ID, choose a category, and add a description, and you are free to sign or not. Click on Suggest, and that's it. Your ID is in the box. How do we make money? Noospher will use a freemium business model. Signing up is free, and users can launch an unlimited number of boxes and suggest as many ideas as they want. The owner of a suggestion box will be able to subscribe a per account with different types of features like analytics, sponsor IDs, emailing, etc. at different prices. Now, I would like to talk numbers, small numbers. We launched Noospher in beta 2 months ago. We have promoted anything. We have today 1,000 users. 20%, this is our weekly growth rate since Noospher is online. 31%, this is our conversion rate. And 10, this is the number of internal suggestion boxes used by middle French company. They joined Noospher only thanks to word of mouth. For instance, last week, this is a mutual company who launched a private suggestion box. They invited 50 employees, and there is already dozens of ideas in the box. Finally, who is going to do that? We are 4 friends working for more than a year on that project. Alexandre is our biz guy with 10 years in the banking sector. He's in charge of sales and marketing. Christophe with the long barb is our technical expert. Laurent is our amazing artist. From branding to design, he's the right person. And about me, I'm involved in all aspects of the company, but my #1 role is chief product. In 5 years, I hope that you won't need more than 10 seconds to answer this question. What do you do of your ideas and suggestions? Thank you very much.
Straightforward. JD.
You know, it's a very simple idea, so it might be a very good idea. That's my first comment.
Thanks.
But I would like really to understand, if I were to set up an email address like suggestion@isai.fr, somehow I'm creating a box and it's immediate and everybody will know how to drop an idea in the box. So how are you different from this?
I do love what you're saying because I'm thinking more and more, since I'm working on that project, it's almost 3 years here now, that we are not only reinventing the suggestion box, but we are also reinventing the mailbox. Because today, mailbox, the information is closed. You got the information, but nobody else knows. And finally, you can imagine our suggestion boxes like public mailboxes, where people can interact with you, with the ideas. People can be collaborative around the suggestion and create something new. You can approve your mailbox, your public mailbox, your suggestion box, then become intelligent, because you can find instantly the best ideas, but the system is the same. Once your idea is put in place, you can archive it like an email. The way you manage your information is the same as an email, but it's public email, collaborative.
Most people really don't like to give their ideas unless they're forced to. I'm curious if you have an incentive. Have you walked down the path of incentives? Because it's freemium. So the airlines today, say Air France, they'll ping you to say, how was your experience? And if you sign, fill out this survey, I'll give you a free drink on the next flight or something. Have you explored incentive ideas? That's a question, to allow suggestions to come in. And my only other suggestion would be, I know you only have 1,000 users, but seeing some use cases of success stories would have been really helpful. Like where people have taken an idea and taken it to fruition. It would have been good to hear those success cases for future presentations.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. Oh, yeah.
Did you get the question or not?
Do you have incentive?
The
Incentives.
I see,
for whoever give the ideas.
We just launched 2 months ago, so I'm sorry, I don't understand.
So following the comment in here, having a lot of ideas is, everybody has tons of ideas every day. The implementation of ideas is the problem. Yep. So do you have any kind of, any idea that was implemented or was at least considered to be implemented?
Okay, I see what you mean. So the thing is, we are reinventing the suggestion box, and the suggestion box is a tool to sharing the ideas. Executing the ideas is the role of the people who can execute it. If you suggest something to the mayor, it's him which we can trust.
But people will not continue to put on ideas if none of them will be executed.
I'm not sure, because it's like making companies. I mean, every day I see more and more people around the world which want to make a great company. But the truth is that there is so little person who succeed, and we are more and more. And I don't know if it's because there is just 1% of the ideas we are putting in place, which is enough to keep the machine running. So if only 1% of the ideas are putting in place, I think that can be enough for suggestion boxes to make the machine runs. And people say, okay, this idea has been put in place. This wasn't mine, but one has been made in place. So I've got a chance. But you have so many usage you can do with a suggestion box. I mean, you can do participatory democracy, you can do collaborative innovation, consulting, problem solving. So, I mean, how can I say if people are going to suggest their ideas? It depends on the context.
Let me take this. You said that you're reinventing.
Yep.
There is a big question here that everyone likes, which is, what's the real innovation?
What's the real innovation? Okay.
It's not mine, by the way.
Yeah.
Better respect them.
What's the real innovation? I mean, we talk about email, reinventing the email, making it collaborative. I mean, we are creating a social network of open innovation. We are not sharing photos, videos, pictures, feelings. We are only sharing ideas and suggestions. This is all about making better the places and products that you love. So,
It's basically the hashtag sharing mindset that we talked about today.
It could be that, yes.
I know you are, this story is short, but what is the best real case you experienced so far? In the best story about using your product?
I see so many. One.
What is the best one?
The best one? The best one would be to see millions of people around the world trying to solve one problem. For instance,
but just his question is, tell him one use case.
I mean, you can solve problems, scientific, but the one I did is for participatory democracy, putting in place a crosswalk where every day you are trying to cross this road, it's dangerous, and then, boom, in one instant, you can suggest, here, I want a crosswalk there. If 100% say, okay, I approve these ideas, the mayor can get the information instantly and say, okay, I put that in place. This is one case, but I see so many.
Your time is over. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. Thank you.